Hey, it's Living Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, we are going to do something very fun. I'm so excited for this video because we are going to be juicing. I have some fruits that I bought and it's been in the house for almost 2 weeks now, and I need to blend them or juice it. When I buy fruits, I try to eat my pineapples within 1 week, but I have not done so with these ones. So we are going to still juice the pineapple. It's not bad yet. It's getting there. It's not bad yet. Let's get started. Here I actually have a list of the fruits that I want, or like the combination. I actually don't have many combinations, but here I have the list of the fruits that I'm going to be juicing. I have watermelon, apple, grapefruits, orange, kiwi, grapes, and pineapple. And then for combinations, I am going to make one that has apple and beets. I'm going to make one that is kiwi and orange. If I have extra apples, I'm going to figure out something else. So let's get started. So I finally got a juicer. I've been wanting to get a juicer for a long time. I have used this once already, so this is going to be my second time using my juicer. I got this from Amazon, I believe, and I am probably going to try to link below where what juicer actually I got. It does quite a good job. I've never owned a juicer, so okay, it has these sucking things under, and it literally just, it doesn't move. That's what I really like about it. Maybe all the juicers have it. This one doesn't move. It stays there, and I really like that. It's not as powerful. The first time when I juiced, I had also juiced papaya and cantaloupes. It wasn't really easy to go through, but things like, and I also made some celeries. It wasn't really the easiest thing to juice, but it does a really good job. First juice we're going to make is going to be watermelon. So if you're going to be juicing, you want to grab some containers, whatever containers you want. I grabbed these from Amazon. I believe it's like 8 bottles. They all come with this black cap and 2 extra white caps that have holes with straw, so you can actually use a straw to drink out of it. Usually I drink like 1 of this a day. When I do the juicing, I'll drink like 1, so I could go through 8 of these juices within 4 days if I want to. Like if I drink 2 a day, or if I take 1 and my husband takes 1, within 4 days we like literally we just finish it. Or if you even drink it throughout the day, yeah. So these are actually glass jars. This is what they look like. Just simple glass jars. I'm not going to take too much of this, so let's get started with this process. So this juicer has, this is where you want to put your fruits, and you have this thing in case you want to press down. And then you have the trash bin or trash side here, and then from this corner you can open it. Let's move it here. So let's get started. I'm going to open mine here. The fruit has already been washed. As you can see, the water, there's still water on it, but I know some juicers that I've seen juicers that are pretty powerful, where you can just cut this like this and put it in. Mine is not that powerful, so I'm going to try not to put the pills of mine because it's probably not going to do a good job. So let's see. Oh, I forgot. It comes with the cup. Yeah. So the juicer also comes with the cup. It stays right there, just like that. Let's do this. I'm going to juice all of this. When I juice it, I actually don't mind it, but eating watermelon like this is not really my thing. I don't really care for it. So I'm not gonna make this too small because the machine doesn't need it to be too small. Easy to clean pineapple. Watermelon is like so easy. I'm just gonna drop these in like that. Watermelons are so watery. I mean watermelon, so watery. So I'm gonna turn this on. The watermelon has so much juice, it's like dripping around because yeah, that's so much juice. I'm not gonna put it too high. Pour this into the bowl. We're gonna pour it here. Okay. Next, I have my pineapple all cut here. We are going to make pineapple. I actually have 4 pineapple cuts, so let's get on that. My favorite, pineapple. It's not cutting as much anymore because of those fibers, so I'm going to remove that and continue. Be careful because you don't want to cut your fingers trying to do this. And I think that's why they give you this tool. But let's try that again. Here I did 2 containers of the watermelon. I'm going to do 2 containers of the pineapples as well. Ooh, that pineapple is looking yummy, 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 yummy. But I should put more. There you go. It also comes with these stickers to write what your juice is and put it on the can. So I've got 8 of those. I had to wash the machine because it was packed. So I did 2 sets of juicing and I had to wash the machine. So next we are going to make oranges. I have it already peeled. So we're gonna start with the oranges here. Hopefully this one doesn't pack it easily. Just plain orange. It's a little cold. Okay, let's see. That's all I'm gonna do for orange. Because next, after the orange, we're gonna do orange grape juice. So these 2 plus the grape juice, these 2 oranges plus the grapefruit. We're gonna make that. So let me put this in the bowl. Let me try this. It's so refreshing because these were actually cold. Woo! Woo! That's so good. That's really good. let's do the orange slash grape juice, grapefruit juice. That's gonna fit. For this, I don't have to cut this open. Grapefruit is like this, is red inside or pink, whatever color. It's a shade of red for sure. It's not as orange as the orange. Let's see what color this is gonna be all together. Might be a weird color. Let's put our grapefruit and orange. Here we come. It's not much. You might not make a whole. Oh, woo! Yeah. Yep. I am just going to drink the rest because, yeah. Grapefruit, orange, and orange. Now we are going to move to apples, and then apples and beets. That's it for apple. Colors are pretty similar, but once they settle, they're different. So I'm gonna do apples and the beets. Last but not least, we are going to make kiwi and grapes. I really hope this one comes out good because, yeah. This is more like an entry-level juicer, so yeah, I was just trying and I didn't want to spend $100 or something. I think this was like 70 something dollars. I don't remember. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and thumb up this video for sure, to show your support and also to motivate me and to tell me that you like the video. Here's all I have here: orange, pineapple, orange, grapefruit, apple, kiwi and grape, watermelon, and then apple and beets. If you have a juicer, make sure to comment below. If you don't have a juicer, also make sure to comment below to let me know if you're going to be buying one. So I did three combinations: apples and beets, kiwi and grape, and orange and grape fruits. So let me know which one of these fruits you will really enjoy. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.